Okay, welcome to another session with ETOO. I'm glad to have you. I'm very glad to have you again. Today we are going to design a dashboard on Figma. A dashboard on Figma within 5 minutes. A dashboard on Figma within 5 minutes. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome. Please subscribe. Click that subscribe button. Click that subscribe button. And if you are, you know, um, a returning subscriber, you are welcome. You are welcome. Yeah, today we are designing a dashboard. So let's go to Figma. I have my resources here to save us a lot of time, but I'm going to show you how I arrive at all these I'm having here, except I think everything here is just components, then a write-up, code, my picture, see fine boy now. Then manipulated picture, a gradient, and other stuff. I'm going to tell you how I arrived at all this. Okay, now let's create a frame because I don't want long video. So let's create a frame. I'm using macro 16. So this is my picture. But firstly, I'm going to fill this up with my personal company code. Personal company code. So let me remove this. I have it saved on my system. I have it saved on my system. So this is my code. This is my company code. Okay. Now I arrive at this is this. I come down here and I added a gradient. See, 20%. So I added it, giving it my company color. I think I use this. Yeah, something like this. So and I reduce the size. That's how I arrive at. That's how we are having this, this exact shape. That's how we arrive at this. So and how I arrive at this is by drawing an ellipse, a circle or ellipse whatsoever. Add a change the field to gradient. I change the field to gradient and change it to linear gradient. Okay. Adding our gradient, we have to change the color. So I change the color of this particular area to have it here 351717 F2. So this is it. And this I think I changed to 0. So it's not showing. That's how we arrive at this. We arrive at this. And I think this side is dark. Is it that dark? No, not 100%. I think this is it. Yeah. That's how I arrive at this. So see, that's how I arrive at this. So now what we are going to do is we are going to bring this in. Let's approve this. Let's approve this. So I'm going to put this around here. No, it should be inside the frame. Let's go back to layer. It should be inside the frame. It's not inside the frame, so let's bring it in. Where's our mark? Okay, this is it. So I'm going to bring it around here. Am I sure this is my mark? Okay, this is it. So sorry, I'm going to use my previous shape. Should be around here. Okay, so I don't want to waste time at all. I'll bring in my picture. It should be at the center of that circle. Yours can be anywhere though. I'm just playing with what I'm having here. So the next thing is duplicate this and bring it over here to have this kind of effect to it. Let's bring this down a little. Let's also bring this down a little so that circle will show a little. Okay, after doing this, how I arrive at this, write your home. Should we do that again? Let's do it again. Write your home, pick your text, write your home. After writing your home, convert your home to components and go inside your component, kind of change the color to ash so that it won't be that bright. just reduce the white a little. And I think that's all I did on that. Okay, and I think I gave it an auto layout. I gave it an auto layout of center. So I did that also. So yeah, auto layout of center, something like this. Then let's zoom in a little so that we can add our, okay, let's add our variant. And the second variant, I made it bold. That is bold, bold. So that's all I did here. That's it. So we can now change this and let's call this active, and we can call the second one over, and I'll call this nav. I'll call it nav. Okay. So if you come down to your asset, let me delete this. We don't really need it anymore. Okay, bring in your logo. I'll bring in my logo and here. So that it's going to have a little bit padding. So the next thing is to go to your asset and bring in your home. I'm going to bring it around here. I'm going to readjust that later and just bring it around here. I'm going to bring it again for my second button. And I'll call this about, and bring this around here. Or I guess I adjust that later. I'll bring the last one, and I'm going to change this to contacts. So I'm going to align the three of them. I'm going to align them, and I'm going to align. I'm going to align them. That's the language I'm going to use. I'm going to align them. So I'm going to align them center. And I'm going to pick it with this. I'm going to align center also. It's centered already. So I'm going to align the two. And the distance, I will make it 115 is not bad. 115 is not bad. Let's check for this. 115 also, meaning our work is perfect. So let's check this out. Our work is going on well. So the next thing is to bring our vision, bring it in. Meanwhile, I saw this online, and I think I should bring it in for you to see how to design something simple. So this right up was not really mine. So this 78, and you know to get ideas. I saw this idea on Instagram. Yes, Instagram. I saw this idea on Instagram. You have to have some set of people you are following. You cannot just call yourself a designer without having some set of people you follow. I have some people I follow, and I think you should also follow some set of people that really know what they are doing. So let's give this 25, and let me see our design. It's not bad. So the next thing, let me delete this. We don't really need it anymore. I will leave this, and I'll leave this. The next thing is to bring in our plugin. Let's bring in our plugin. And I'm going to say Iconify. I just like that if you're having something better than Iconify, you can use. And if you have something you want to recommend to me, a plugin you want to recommend to me, please do so. Or you want me to give you a tutorial on that, let me know, please. Let's say right. Okay, right direction. And let me go for something. This should be, or this. You can go for any. I seriously, I'm kind of having issue on picking. Let me go for this. This is not bad. So meanwhile, you can as well design yourself. It's not compulsory you copy. There's nothing else you design, but permit me because of our time. And let me change this to, let's say, 50. I'm not okay, I'm not satisfied. 80. What's going on? Oh, it's not locked. Please, we have to log this. Yeah, we have to log it. 80. Let me see that. What is going on? Why is the two color not coming out? Okay, I get what is going on. The frame, I think we should adjust this from the frame and let's see. 80, so it will adjust with it. And I'm not okay with 80, let's see 200. Yeah, this is better. It's better. I'll have something like this. Let me bring this down a little. And let's duplicate this. I'll drag it down a little here, somewhere here. And I will say C1. And our design is done. That's all. So you cannot do your own touching and all those stuff. You can touch it however you want. But that's the design. That's it. Simple and direct. Simple and direct. I can adjust this a little bit. A little bit. Let's see. That's all. Work is done. So the rest is now, okay, maybe you want to navigate and all those stuff. You can reduce the opacity for this to like 30 if you want. Yeah, something like that. So that's all. That's all. And for this, you don't need to do much. Just come down to here, come down here, and just add your interaction and change this to over. However, I will still come back and do a tutorial on this and say change to over. So that's all. That's all. So let's preview this. So just the simple dashboard. I saw it and I was like, this is simple. Like it's simple, and I love it when I saw it. So that's how to do it. That's how to do it. If you make this, get it perfectly, let me know. I should give you a kudos. Now the other color I use for this is just ash. I reduce the let's do something. Let me pick the color so that I can give you the actual code. So it's white. It's giving me FFFF. So it's pure white, not even ash. I was even thinking I was using. It's pure white. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I think I'm picking other colors there. Seriously, it's pure white. And I've been calling it ash since all this is my bad. So it's pure white. It's pure white. So meaning that there's nothing I've not shown you. This is my logo. Not no, I have copyright on this logo, so don't even try it. Don't try using it. So my picture, use your picture. So there we got here linear gradient, and this is setting. This is setting. You're having this 3517F2, and here we're having 190. That's my color. They even try it. 17%. So that's all. And we bring it in. So and this is our work. Okay, this is a preview. You can see we're having a very simple dashboard here. A very simple dashboard. I think you can still bring this down a little. It's like it's too close to my. I'm bringing it down a little. Yeah, somewhere around here. So let's see that again. Yeah, something like this. That's all. So if you come down here and over this, you see our over is working, it's changing to bold. Something simple and direct. Something simple. I'm a fan of simplicity and uniqueness. So that will be all for this tutorial. See you in the next video, and remain blessed.